Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Of course, today we're reviewing and unboxing this baby right here, and it's called a ring flash, also known as a ring light. So this is a photography light with 2 color temperatures. If you're interested to see how it works and how I think about this light, just keep on watching. Also, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment down below if you haven't already, and just say anything that you would like to see on the other videos, and whatever you like, any question that you have, guys, or anything you want to say. Okay, so let's get into this video real quick. So this is an LR, oh my god, no, it's an LF/R40 light, and mine came in white. It's a Queenie 18-inch LED bi-color ring light. It's 100 watts, and it was about 2,699.99. So the color that I got, you guys, is in white. On the box they showed pink and black, so it came in that beautiful box, and inside the box there's a bag. And this bag, you guys, I really love. When I was opening it, it was really strong. Like, I've opened my my umbrella lights bag, and now it's like no more, and it was not strong. So with this bag, you guys, I'm really liking it. I feel like it's super strong, and it's holdable, it's portable in a way, and comes with sides where you can just hook a belt to, walk around looking like an art student, something like that. So this is how the light is looking inside. And this light, you guys, it's 100 watts. It is about 3,200 to 5,800 Ks. I'm not sure if you really want to see that. So it comes with it's just the head. It didn't come with the legs. I didn't get, let me say, they didn't buy this light with the stander, because I have a lot of standers. So it comes with a phone thingy. I don't even know what it's called, guys. I'm not a technical person. And something to hook your phone or your camera with. I don't even know what it's called. I should have just written everything down. But this is just something that it helps you hold the phone or the camera. And then this is the belt that it came in with as well. So you guys, when you open the bag, it's got like 2 slots inside, and the divider, you guys, it's like it has a sponge in between. It's like a protective layer of a layer. Yes. So when you open inside as well, you get the cable, and this cable is like a twin, I don't know what it's called, but it's like in 2. Is it a twin plug? Yeah. And then this is the adapter that you need to use to get power to the ring light. And then it comes in with a mirror. Lord, I was so excited, you guys. It's 2-sided. The other side is 2 magnified, like it zooms in. So also, along with the lights, you guys, it covered, what is this called? What am I saying? It's a paper, it's a pamphlet, like a direction paper in a way. Not that I read it. So this is a stand that I have, is one of standards that I use for my ring lights. It has this pointed thingy on top. Guys, I'm so sorry if I'm not too technical. I'm not a technical person. I'm just showing you my new ring light. So this is what happened, guys, because I didn't even read that thing. Like, I never read any of these things. So I was just busy like rolling, and I don't know what I was doing. I thought I was tying it or something like that. But it's actually not how it works. You're just supposed to put the ring light inside, and then you just screw it in, and that's it. You are done. So this ring light, you guys, can actually fit my head. Is that big. So at the back, you guys, it has a switch where you switch on before you use the dimmable and the temperature thing. And then it comes also with the sockets where you're going to put your phone or your camera. So this is how the adjusters are looking. I guess I'm being technical. So it has a dimmable side and a temperature side. So now I'm just showing you guys how I actually would put in the mirror. And of course, it also took me time to do this, because I didn't read. I'm curious, you guys. I just like to do things by myself. And then now I wanted to show you guys as well. Also, I was just still experimenting, because I didn't know how to do this, to mount my phone. So you just take 2 sockets, the phone one and the other thing, I don't know what it's called, that you can actually attach your camera with. So with this ring light, you guys, you can actually attach your phone if you want, attach your camera in it as well if you want. So this is me trying to figure out how this thing works. What I've noticed is that it is movable, like you can film in landscape or in portrait. So in case you're wondering, you guys, my setup today is only a camera and a ring light so that we can test this baby in real life. No other external lights that we're going to use except for the lighting outside, which went down. So let's test this baby. Yes. That is how actually it was looking, and I was just playing around with the temperature. When you see me turning orange, it is the warmest color, which is it's like orange, and then when you see me turn a little bit of white, is the coolest color. That is when you adjust the wheel to the whiter side. So I was just playing along, you know, and I noticed that my skin started glowing. I started to look fresh. I started to look really nice. Like I was really enjoying, you guys. And another thing that I'll tell you is that this ring light doesn't come with filters. I feel like it's already filtering me. The light is not too harsh on me. It was really nice. Like I was just playing around with the wheels, and I finally got even the color that I liked, and I realized that I can actually film with a ring light only. But I'm gonna do another tutorial with all the lights and see like how everything is gonna be doing. Maybe one day, guys, I'll show you my filming setup and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much me playing around with the light and film myself, because can you see the glow of my face? That doesn't really exist, of course, but yeah, actually so far, guys, I really liked my ring light. I was really enjoying. Just in case you're wondering what I'm talking about adjusting the light, this is what I'm talking about. I was just playing around with the wheels. You know, you can see the light is turning cool, which is the whiter side, and sometimes it's turning orange, which is the warmer side. You know, you just play around with your dip, which simply means increasing or decreasing your light. Or when you're playing with temperature is when you are actually increasing or decreasing your temperature, which means you're turning to orange or white. So now we're testing the light in real darkness, and you guys, look at this. This is like insane. Then I went on to test with my phone, and I didn't insert the clip, but it was amazing, you guys. Like I just tested everything, and you can literally do anything with this light. You can actually film with a phone and a mirror at the same time. So y'all, I was so amazed. And that is it from this video, guys. Sorry for not being too technical, but I enjoyed reviewing this, babe. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.